Hello everyone. So in the last video we learned about the gedit graphical text editor, right? And we knew how to view and edit text files using gedit. So right now in this video we are going to learn how to view and edit text files using another text editor called Nano. And Nano is not a graphical text editor. Nano is a command line editor. So let's go to my desktop, and as you can see here I have the same files that I had from the last video, right? Okay, so what if I want to open my file commands using my Nano editor? It's very simple, just the same way that we did with the gedit. So you type your text editor name, which in this case is Nano, and then type the file name that you want to open. So I'll just say commands, and as you can see here it will open up my file. Okay, so if you look down here you will see like many things that you can do with Nano. So for example, if you see this symbol here, some people call it the caret symbol, this guy here before the O, and some people call it like the power symbol, because they use it like with mathematics and stuff. So this caret symbol here, caret, it means that you have to like press control before pressing the other letter or the following letter. So here for example control X will exit the Nano editor. Let's see, control X will exit the Nano editor, and I can bring it back as you can see. Yeah, here control X will exit the Nano editor. Control G will show me some help, right? So if I press control G, it will bring the help page for Nano, and as you can see here there's like a brief description for Nano and how you can use it. And as you can see here, if you want to go to the next line, you can press control N, next line, because as you can see control N here. And if you want to go to the previous line, you can press control P, line by line. What if you want to go down a page, one page at a time? So next page you can press control V. You don't need to memorize it, just there, you know. So control V, it will go down page by page, and control Y will go back page by page also. Awesome. And if you want to close the help page, you can just press control X, as you can see here. Okay, so here you have also like other options, like control K here for example will cut the text at the cursor location. It will cut the line at the cursor location. So control K here, as you can see, it cut or it killed the text, because for Linux we say killing instead of cutting. Anyways, if you want to uncut or actually like paste the text that you just cut, so you can just press control U. So control U will bring back the line that I just cut it, right? So control K, control U, control K, control U. Awesome. Okay, so here also you can search for text in your file. So control W will search for it, because here you see where is. So for example, if I want to search for the word links that I have here, it's very simple. I'll just press control W and then just search for links. And as you can see, my cursor moved to the beginning of the word links. Awesome. So what if I want to, for example, to add some text here? So here I will just say, okay, I am adding some text. So now if you want to save this stuff here, if you want to make your changes reflected, if you want to save it, you can press control O. Here it is called write out. Write out is the same as saying save, okay? So control O will save my file, and here it confirms that I want to save my file under the same exact file name commands, and I'll just press enter, and I'm done. So my file now is saved. If I want to exit, I can just press Control X. So Control X, I'm done, okay? And let's make sure that my changes are reflected. So I will open my file again, and as you can see here, I have my file and I have the last line that I just added. Okay, what if you actually, for example, like added some text here, so like blah 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 blah, and you just exit, right? And you forgot to save. So if right now I just want to exit my nano editor, so Control X, you see here, it before quitting the nano editor, it asks me if I want to save the stuff that I just added, and if you want to, you just press Y. And again, it asks you if you want to keep the changes under the same file name, and I will just confirm this by pressing enter. Okay, and then right now if I open my file, I have my stuff here that I just added. Okay, let's do one more thing. So if I, for example, if I add this another line here, a very long boring line, and if I want to exit and I just want to save it, but this time I will change my file name, so commands 1 2 3. Here is telling me, are you sure you want to save this stuff under a different name? And I will tell him just Y. And as you can see here, I have another copy, or not another copy. I saved my new file under another name. And as you can see here, I open my gedit at this time, my graphical editor. Awesome. And I can do the same thing for all the other files, like for example nano Linux. This will show me my file Linux, and I'll just exit this file now. Okay, so right now, what if you want to create a new file? It is the same thing. You just type nano, and for example, if you want to create a file called dogs, hit enter, and here I will say dogs are better than cats, because in the last video I said that cats are better than dogs, and I don't want to make anyone sad here. So this one is for you guys, all the dog lovers. And I love dogs, by the way. Anyways, so right now I just created a file called dogs, right? If I want to save it, I'll just press Control O. As you can see here, save, write out. And yeah, I confirm my file name is dogs. And then yeah, I'll just exit my file, exit the nano editor, and here I have my file dogs. I can open it up using my gedit if I want to, or I can open it up with my nano editor. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ciao.